My name's Bowdish. My position here is the coordinator for the Weiser Center. I've actually been teaching at SUNY Potsdam for 25 years. Learning U, I was brought on board. Rising seniors from the city are afforded an opportunity for a 3-week stay at the college campus, and they take courses, both lecture-style courses and for applied learning. And the applied learning part of it is really what I focused on. I think a lot of them really enjoyed, at least here in the greenhouse, the experience. And I think it's great for them to get out of their environment and into another environment. They planted these towers behind me here. They learned how to transplant properly, care for their plants, not just watering, but taking care of it in terms of oversight and putting it in the right location in their house. Overall, I thought it was a really good experience from my perspective. And I think most of the students had a really good time. And I told them from the get-go that my ultimate goal was to get them to leave with some skills and some knowledge of how to be a lifelong learner.